Understanding train whistle, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in English, train whistle. We'll delve into its meaning, usage, and some interesting facts. This video is perfect for English language learners looking to expand their vocabulary and understanding of English idioms. Let's get started. The phrase, train whistle, refers to the sound a train makes as it approaches or leaves a station. It's a loud, piercing sound, used to alert people of the train's movement for safety reasons. But beyond its literal meaning, train whistle can also have metaphorical implications, evoking feelings of nostalgia, travel, or the passage of time. Literal use, in its most direct sense, train whistle describes the actual sound made by a train. It's commonly heard in areas near railways. Metaphorical use. Metaphorically, a train whistle can symbolize a call to adventure, a signal of departure, or the beginning of a journey. It often appears in literature and music to evoke a sense of wanderlust or change. 1. Literal. I heard the train whistle as the 5 o'clock express approached the station. 2. Metaphorical. Every time I hear a train whistle, I'm filled with a desire to travel and explore new places. The train whistle holds a special place in many cultures, often associated with freedom, the start of something new, or the sadness of departure. It's a powerful symbol in songs, stories, and movies, representing various emotional and thematic elements. I hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Train whistle is more than just a sound. It's a part of our language that captures the essence of movement, change, and emotion. Keep exploring English, and you'll find many such phrases that enrich your understanding of the language and culture. Happy learning!